I just want to share 3 things with you today. 3 small things, but I believe that these 3 are important. Okay? Today, we celebrate the awarding ceremony of FTG in-house training, and obviously, it marks success. That's the first thing I want to share with you. Most of you are the top few of your schools and have achieved success. However, after a few more years or so, maybe perhaps when you go to college, you will find out that maybe you haven't achieved so much success after all. I am a teacher in the Ateneo College, Ateneo de Manila University, and I have students who are the top students in their schools, but when they go to college, they realize there's still a lot to learn. In a book that I have read, the author of the book is Malcolm Gladwell. He has this theory that to be good at something, you need at least 10,000 hours. And being a mathematician like you, a while ago, in the corner, I was calculating. 1 year in MTG, that means 12 Saturdays of 3 hours each, plus 3 to 4 days, let's assume that's 24 hours of mathematics, and perhaps 1 month of around maybe 12 hours, gives you roughly 500 hours. Just 500 hours. To reach 10,000 hours, how many years do you need to spend in MTG? Okay, ilan? Sige, solve ko na lang yan. Okay? May assignment pa raw. Okay, however, okay, I have been with MTG with only 9 years. As a student and as a trainer. And I myself know that I have still a lot to learn. I have been a lecturer to many of you, and you have seen that in the middle of the class, sometimes I journey with you in trying to find the solution. Sometimes I do not want to look at the answer key, because looking at the answer key will cheat us. We lose the chance to solve problems. So even as achievers as we are, this is not yet the end. Marami pa tayong matututunan.